So in this video we're going to draw together all of the things that we've learnt so far about representing rhythm in music and look at how all of the different notes relate to each other. A nice way to think about this is to draw something called the rhythm tree. The idea behind the rhythm tree is that we show how all of the different lengths of notes are related. Let's start right at the top of the tree with a whole note. The purpose of the rhythm tree is to show us how many of each type of note we can fit into the same amount of time as one 4-beat whole note. The first way we can divide this 4-beat semibreve or whole note is into two smaller half notes. And if we think about it, this makes sense because 2 halves equal a whole and 2 plus 2 equals 4. And so we can play 2 half notes in the same amount of time that it takes to play one whole note. And that's because a 2-beat note plus another 2-beat note equals a 4-beat note. Now of course we can divide the tree again and make each of these half notes break into 2 parts, like this. And this gives us 4 quarter notes, just like this with their filled in note heads. Oh, that wasn't very good. Let's try that one again. Okay, so now we've seen 3 different ways we can split up a 4-beat period of time. We can have 1 4-beat whole note, 2 2-beat half notes, and now 4 1-beat quarter notes. And so this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. But what if we want to divide this 4-beat period of time up any further? Well, we can of course do this and make each one of these quarter notes into an 8th note. Now it might take me a little bit of time to draw these out. And so here we have our 8 8th notes. And we can fit these notes into the same amount of time that it takes to play 4 quarter notes, 2 half notes, or 1 whole note. So let's write this as 8 times a half, which equals 4. And so to add one final level to our rhythm tree, let's add in 16 16th notes. We get these by dividing each one of these 8th notes in 2, just like this. And so there we go, my very crudely drawn 5th level to this rhythm tree, showing that we can fit 16 semiquavers, or 16th notes, into the same amount of time that it takes us to play one semibreve, 2 half notes, 4 quarter notes, or 8 8th notes. And so we could write this down here as 16 times a quarter. So I hope this little diagram is useful just to bring together everything we've learnt so far about representing different lengths of time and rhythm in a piece of music.